Assalamu alaikum. If you search some of the papers which are related to the genome-wide identification studies and scroll down and go into the result section, so you will find a topic which is most of the time related to the physicochemical properties of the protein family. You will also find a table which enlists all these properties. So basically, the physicochemical properties are the uh, chemical and physical properties or the structural properties of a protein molecule. It includes various parameters, for example, molecular weight, isoelectric point, aliphatic index, or gravity, and other important things. You can study a lot about them just by Googling them. Now, how to find it? First, type the specific protocol in the Google and click on the link. When you click on this link, it will carry you to another window where you can paste your sequence. Just simply copy the protein sequence and paste it into the box showing on that website. Now, simply paste it and click the compute parameter. But oops, it's give error. Why? Because you have to take care of this problem that when you paste your sequence, you should always paste it in a non-FASTA format, which means that you should remove the FASTA sign from the sequence. Then again, click it and it will give you the whole lot of parameters which are physicochemical properties. It also gives you information about the sequence. It will give you information about the number of amino acids, about the theoretical isoelectric point, and the molecular weight. It will also give you information about the amino acid composition, the percentage of each amino acid, because each amino acid will have different effect on every protein. It also gives you information about the positively charged residue and negatively charged residue. It also gives information about the atomic composition, the formula, the total number of atoms, and the extinction coefficient. And also about the estimated half-life, which is the time in which half of the protein lost its structure. And it's also give information about the instability index and the aliphatic index. So you can find all these information on this single website. You can copy this information and put it in a table for a single gene or multiple gene. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.